Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you a crunching noise on a Hyundai Tucson 2016 model, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it does, and I'm also gonna show you after this what is the fault and what you need to do to fix it. So you're gonna put in first gear, you're gonna set off. This vehicle, it's only crunching in 4th and 6th gear. So now I'm gonna put it in 4th so you can listen it. That was 6th, 4th, 6th again. So as you can see, you can hear a big noise there, like a crunching noise, and that noise, it is your synchros not stopping the gear from spinning. So most likely it is the synchro tabs have broken. But I'll show you this. I'll take the gearbox off the car, I'll strip it down, and I'll show you what you need to replace to make it work again. Right, so let's take the gearbox out. Right, so here's the gearbox stripped down, and let me show you now what I'm talking about. You can see there, I'll try to focus a bit. See the synchro spinning freely. Good, so we need one, this one too. You can see here, that's broken. Okay, so I lifted the selector and you can see it's just a piece of, hang on, let me try to focus. It's nothing else but a piece of metal sheet bent, and the first and second gear, you can see there, it's a, hang on, let me push it down. Right, so you can see the first and second gear, yeah, nothing more bent, it's just already casted like this. So this is why they break down. And apparently I've read on some forums and there is an improved version of this. Just replacing this one here, which is spinning freely, with one that looks like this. So we'll see what we're gonna get from Hyundai. And the bits that have fallen off, they're here on the magnet. You can see them there. I've stripped down the gearbox, you can see all here on the table. And this is one of the synchro that is snapped. See, it's supposed to have a lip like this one here. And the new model is like this. It's all cast. So this will not break definitely like this one. So we're gonna fit the new one in and we're gonna retest the vehicles. Okay, so we have replaced the synchros. We are now driving, we are in 3rd gear, and we're gonna change to 4th and 6th, and let's see if we can hear anything. That's 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I wish you a lovely day, and I will see you on my next video, obviously.